We are planning for the week of February 10th through the 16th in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for teaching. Thanks for coming to plan with me today. Last week was a hot mess, so I didn't get a planner filming done for my teacher planner. Literally, this is all I did. I was just like, we got to just make this work. So, and this week is going to be interesting too, because we had a 2-hour delay here. So that changes what I do for my lesson planning, which is kind of important. I teach music, for those of you who may not know, and I teach elementary music, so K to 5. I'm going to use this guy as my pencil board today. And it looks like we might have another day of interesting coming up. So we'll see how it goes. I am using a Hobonichi Weeks kit from Exo Mama Plans. I actually got it from her Oops bundle. And it's like the 4th kit in that bundle. So I'm really excited to use this one for Valentine's week. I also have a day off here, which is fabulous. So normally I would put these little like square guys here, but since I have some lesson plan stuff I really need to keep track of, I think I'm actually gonna just put these on the side here. I am a big fan of getting Oops boxes or Oops bundles from shops, especially, so Exo Mama Plans, I had known her stickers before, so I was not concerned about if I would like her stickers or not. I knew I would like them, but I had never done stickers for a Hobonichi, because this is my first year using Hobonichi Weeks. And so I was like, let's just get her Oops kits, because I'll find if I like using stickers in here or not by an Oops kit. Made sense to me. But a lot of times I will, if it's a new shop that I'm trying out, if they offer an Oops bundle, I'll get that first and then go from there. And I'm typically very happy. Do you have any big plans for Valentine's Day? We do not. We don't typically do anything too big. Let's put it this week at the top because we can. Why not? That's cute. And then we'll put our days of the week. We don't typically. I am excited to have the day off though. It's actually a snow makeup day, but we only use our snow makeup days once we've used up all our e-learning days. We only get 3 e-learning days, and we've only used 1 so far. So even if we were to have something in here, like I said, we have I looked at the forecast for the week. It did look a little interesting. So we'll see. Oh my goodness, I heard that, Jules. You got a hiccup? Jules decided to eat the not food, though, from a toy. She was pulling apart. We have, like, this abominable snowman. It's one of the terrible toys, not because it's a terrible toy. It's, like, where the dogs can tear it apart and you can put it back together. She has finally figured out how to tear it apart. But her favorite thing to do is, like, nibble on the abominable snowman's tail. And she finally got a piece off of it. And of course, she just ate it. I'm like, Jules, I love you, sweet baby girl, but come on. I don't usually decorate this hardcore in this planner. For those of you who've been around this channel, you kind of know that. But when I have a kit, I want to use up all the stickers. It just makes me happy. I also have these guys too. I gotta look at that as well. done payday plan. Like that. Let's go ahead and put one of these boxes here for day off. And then we'll put our checklists. Big fan of the checklists in this guy. So like I said, you'll notice that I don't typically write lesson plans themselves in here, but when I have like a 2-hour delay and one class is off, I do like to keep note of that. And so this will be a week where my Friday kiddos will end up being a week behind, and that's kind of important to note. I'll put the red one here. Oh, this worked out well. Because why not? There we go. You okay? Oh, give me a moment, guys. All right. She just had the hiccups. The Jules dog had the hiccups, and so I typically have to rub her belly till the hiccups go away. All right, so this group is on lesson 3.5. Thursday kiddos, one's going to be on 3.6. This one's 3.5, so half and half on that one. Although I'll probably just kind of do like a combination of these lessons to make sure everybody's caught up. I have a school improvement meeting. I think those are the big things there. Day. Wait, I was so excited. I misspelled day because I was like, day off. Yes, that is where my brain is, friends. Goodness. And then let's do, might keep some of these because it's not like I can't use them in other spreads, right? I can use them in other spreads. Put them together. Trying to think if there's any to-do listy things I should put on this side. I don't think so. Is that it? That might be it. Oh, no, I do need to do a running to-do list. So let's do maybe the little dots here. So I need to do choir schedule. So when I say running to-do list, over here on this side of the page is usually things I can get done at either building. I work at 2 different elementary schools. So these are usually building specific. This is like, this can be done at either building. Either because it's on my computer and my computer follows me everywhere I go, or whatever. Oh, I hear it. We're supposed to have ice today, ice and snow, so. Finalize those things. I need to email the high school helpers who are coming, like they need volunteer hours, so they're going to come and help. So those are the big things. I'm going to add some extra dots just so that I have them there, because I think this is going to be a week where it's like, sometimes I'm adding things to the to-do list that will be forwarded to next week, but I just want to have it ready to go. So yes, I have Friday off and then I'll have Monday off. So then this group is going to be, I might try and do a combo lesson there too, just to catch everybody as far up as possible. We'll see. We'll see how things go. All right. I think that's gonna do it for this spread, friends. I try to keep it real simple, nice and easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can check the description box below for all of my favorite like planner things. I usually have links in there. And I will catch you all in the next one.